a father, and, like any parent, everything you do starts and ends with your children. So when it's all done for me, I hope that I am leaving them with a better world and a better country.
Jason and I have been friends for almost 18 years, starting very early, whether it was as a Boy Scout to the Rangers to ultimately being a statesman. He's always put service before self, and it shows in what he does.
I initially enlisted in the National Guard to help pay for college. When I went for those weekend guard drills and wore that uniform and the flag on my shoulder, I realized how much I loved it, how much I loved being a part of a team, being a part of something bigger than myself and serving my country and my community. Woo! It became this through line in my life.
He's always had a heart towards public service, and that's really where he shines and glows, is being able to serve others.
When I graduated undergrad, I immediately went from a private to a second lieutenant in the United States Army and became an infantry officer and a paratrooper and a ranger and went active duty.
He's definitely a special person. He's a veteran. He had served in Afghanistan and Iraq. He was awarded the Bronze Star.
I was getting out of the Army and settled here in Colorado, and everybody knows that the Sturm College of Law is the place to be if you're going to get a law school education. I came here and immediately started to use all the clinics and all the expansive network of the College of Law in the area to make connections.
Jason and I met in law school. We met through our various classes, and we just really hit it off. He said things in the class that were so smart and insightful that I just kept thinking to myself, oh, I wish I had said that.
I left law school and became a private attorney. So I went to work at Holland & Hart and went through that grind of being a junior associate, which I look back actually with tremendous fondness now. When I was practicing, I sat on the State Board of Veterans Affairs. I did a lot of pro bono work for nonprofits that were serving our veterans. I did work for groups that were helping underprivileged youth in the community.
He takes the grit and resilience and energy he has to really give back. And I think that is key to who he is, that what he does matters to him and matters really to us too.
The reason I feel that drive is because I served with young men and women who didn't come home. We can't repay that debt, but what we can do is live every day and try to make sacrifices and strive to ensure that their sacrifices were not made in vain. And that's something that I think about very frequently. Are we living lives, and are we making sacrifices, and are we working to make our country and community better, to be worthy of their sacrifice?
The amount of time, energy, and effort that he gives to us, he's always seemed to choose what's right over what's expedient.
I'm currently the congressman for the 6th District of Colorado. When I was looking at leaving private practice and running for a race that nobody thought I could win, I said I just have to take this opportunity and do what I think is right, whether it's a Service Saturday event, whether it's a town hall. One of the things that I've been looking to do is find opportunities for Americans and Coloradans to come together.
A few years ago, we were in a car together, and I asked him quite sincerely, I said, okay, Congressman, how is it? How do you like it? How is it going? And without hesitation, he turned to me and he said, I love it. I absolutely love it. That he had found that job, that position that was so incredibly rewarding to him, that he was able to make a difference, that he was able to try to help people.
If I ever need someone to be there, he's always there. When it comes down to it, I wouldn't choose him as a partner in karaoke, but that being said, he has your back every other place.
Congratulations, Jason. We are so incredibly proud of you. Way to go, buddy.
Jason, congratulations. This is an honor you truly deserve. We appreciate the things you've done and the things you're going to do. We're proud of you.
I want to thank the College of Law and the alumni community and others for recognizing me. There are so many deserving people in this community that do incredible work day in and day out, and so many deserving people that have received this award. And I would like to share this recognition and the opportunity to serve together with all of them.